Okay, this is a rooftop air conditioning and 15 years old. Probably the thermostat has a problem. I tried to figure out. Actually, the Y, like this yellow, the Y, there's no power. Only the blower, GL and GH, they come with 12 volt. So whatever you call for code, it's a blower is working. However, let's go back to here. So this is interesting. I'll tell you later on. So this is a GL. Basically, GL works. They come with 12 volt. But this is a Y. See, this is a Y. The Y is actually called for compressor, but compressor is not working. So I just borrowed the G and let's go to the compressor. It works. Just one sec. Oh. It's a G, right? See? It's working, right? Okay. So let's go back to this is the same thing. This is a blower. Okay, let's put back. Oh, I can see it. Okay, go back to blower working, and I borrow this blower 12 volt, and there it is. See, both working, blower and interesting, right? I don't know, as long as it works. This is a borrow 24 volt, actually 12 volt in RV. Bye bye.